Sometimes I dream of cheese.
Search for
Why, hello there, Victor.
Hey, Papa, what's
Go
up?
away.
Ooh.
Dance for me.
Lying, are you the murderer? You never told me. Lying is the murderer because he never told me.
No, I'm not. You just
Yes,
didn't
you
ask
are.
me. I am a bystander.
No, you're not.
Go away,
You
Lima.
fucking liar.
No, I'm not. I must.
Shh.
You are the. No, I'm getting out of here. Okay. No. Oh, lag. So much lag. Don't know who that was, but I'm running because I hear gunshots. I don't wanna
Yeah,
be a
there's somebody just shooting.
I
outside
don't
of a
want to
window. I
grow
think
up.
it's gonna be
I'm a
sick.
Toys R Us kid.
So much lag. Holy shit. For me, it's lagging a bit. But that's because my internet's shit. Oh my fucking god, I saw that. I'm swimming around.
Oh god, I'm dead. Who the fuck killed me? Lying, did you just kill me, you bastard?
No.
Oh, I know that no.
I'm gonna fucking die.
Kitty Loaf, run! Lying's the killer. Just don't talk. Oh. You had to go and break that window.
You're dead, son! You're dead! Gonna get your dick shot off!
I am not dead.
There's like 3 people with guns, you know that.
Oh, son of a
Gun.
bitch! Oh, there's one more!
Yeah, I pink Bravo. I wanna go in there, Lima.
You made a death tunnel.
Alright. Really wish I could shoot right now.
Papa, do it. Oh wait, you're dead and you can actually stay on screen. Go, Papa, you're my spirit animal.
Fucking kill Bravo! He deserves it! He lied to me! Our friendship is nothing anymore! Oh, son of a...
I fucked up.
No, there's only... Lying, there's only one person left.
I know.
No.
Just-
No. We can talk it out, Bravo.
Just hide around the corner and wait for them to show up.
Just come around the corner.
Oh my fucking god, Papa, that's scary!
Okay, just kill me. Just end my life, please.
Just say something
Shit.
creepy like,
Look.
I can smell your fear.
Oh shit.
Oh god, you don't have your gun. You're hiding right next to the dumpster.
Yes!
That was awesome.
Freaking deserved it!
That was so awesome.
Yes.
And, Purple is the
Yes.
killer. They had a knife out.
Don't lie.
Purple Kilo, run!
I didn't lie to you.
Purple Kilo, it's Purple Kilo, oh god! Oh god, I'm almost dead. And I'm dead.
Oh shit, I see it, run!
Kilo.
Run!
Kilo.
Fucking run, bro! Fucking run!
Can't we all just get along?
No, we're trying.
No.
But,
I believe we need to have a meeting.
Questions? Oh, I threw something.
Does anyone want to have a peaceful meeting?
Ah! Run! Fucking go! Shit!
Yeah, why not?
Alright, come to the office.
Alright.
Bring the microwave as a peace token.
Lying is the killer!
Alright.
Fuck you!
I'm not the killer. It's
Yes, you are! You're so quiet!
Go! Move!
Kitty,
Move!
I'm dead.
Move!
Where should I put it?
Just put on this counter over here, I'll protect you. Alright, get behind the counter, quick. And... Damn it!
Wait, who was the murderer?
Zulu.
Oh, it was Zulu. Shit!
And this is why I can't have nice
calling me
things.
a killer.
I was so...
Killer.
I just wanted a simple microwave. Hey, lying.
What do you do, Nips? What do you do?
Hey, not good at lying.
Yes, up. Yeah.
Just gonna announce that they're being recorded for
Let's see
do
if
some
we can-
promotion for channel awesome that we have here.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Alright.
Hey guys, you're being recorded for a promotion for Channel Awesome. Just saying.
What? 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 Is there some joke that I'm missing out? Or whoever's I'm
Are
assuming
you?
it's
You're
mine.
just assuming. You're just assuming it's me. That's terrible.
Yes.
You're the only one who
I'm
does
assuming-
this. Oh God!
Oh shit!
You're
You
cowering in a
mentioned
corner.
box? What the fuck?
Get me now.
Just that look. Oh, I'm glad I have this recorded. Just, you should have seen it. The moment they killed you, they turned around and looked all innocent. They were giving me blue magnum.
You just took my idea. What a dick.
As I was saying,
Too evil.
Just
damn it, are you gonna let me speak in this?
everybody be me.
Can I talk? Seriously, can I talk, please?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
saying that
No.
you're all being recorded for our channel, Spectrum of Gaming, with our co-hosts over here, Kid and Loaf, and Not Good at Lying.
Straight up.
Not Good at Lying, say hello to everyone.
Hello, everyone. I'm not good at lying.
And you're dead.
That's about the best I can do. I'm dead now. I know. It's terrible.
I know.
Hey, can you
You're
not kill me? Please don't kill me. I can't see.
Dance!
I'm a blind
Dance
man.
for me. Dance,
Oh, I'm
Victor.
not blind.
Dance.
It's blind. Really?
Yes,
Really?
really. Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Really. For
God
Rizzle.
damn it.
Just gonna
Kitty?
crouch in this corner, hope I'm not dead.
Kitty, can you please kill something? Because I know you're the murderer.
I'm not.
Sure.
Shh! You saw nothing.
I'm not. Oh, I thought I saw prop fly. That was freaky. We're not playing prop hunt, are we? I'm confused. I don't even know where all this action is happening at. I'm so confused. Uh-oh. Okay. I'm
Get
gonna
back,
this way.
go away, this is my clubhouse.
I'm just gonna go this way.
What? Seriously? The killer is AFK?
Yes! Oh, this is so beautiful. I'm gonna just have to make myself a little corpse house.
Then is Romeo, because Romeo hasn't been doing nothing.
Oh, this is gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna have so much fun with these dead bodies.
Son of a bitch. Shit!
No.
I died. Yes.
Thing.
Like that. Wait.
Oh, you're dead. Okay. Sorry, I was trying to see if that was you or not. Damn it.
Romeo's just kind of standing here.
Yeah, how is Romeo still alive? Like, I was actually
Right? Out of
trying.
everybody. How is he still freaking alive? He's just been standing there.
Romeo's got the best luck. I wish I was Romeo.
Well, it's bound to get him eventually. Process of elimination. It's called process of elimination, okay?
I'm swimming around in a vagina. Oh, there's a thingy.
What?
I'm swimming around in a vagina.
What are you doing, uniform? Yeah, X-ray, no,
I
go
dropped
away.
My box. My box is gone now. I'm sad.
You know what?
No one will
There
ever
is
find
a
me.
microwave fee for coming over here.
God damn it. I just wanted to take a stroll with my box. And y'all ain't letting me because y'all are assholes.
Oh my god. You just killed me. Was it you?
Yes. Oh god, I'm stuck.
I was doing so good though.
Help, I'm stuck. Oh, there we go. Yes, it's hotel.
I'm swimming around in a vagina. Swimming around in a
Kuja, what?
vagina.
Kitty, why
What?
are you doing that though?
Why am I doing it?
Yeah, why are you doing that?
Well, why not? I saw you, Yankee! Whoever the fuck you are. There are son of a fucking nipples!
Double kill.
My gun wasn't working, it wasn't loaded. Jesus
Son
Christ.
of a fucking nipples.
That's what I
Gotcha.
say when I'm scared. I'm sorry,
Sure.
okay?
Sure.
It is!
Da-da-da. Dana. Dana-na-na.
It's what I say.
Da-da-da.
It's not my fault that I get scared.
Oh god. Dana-na-na-na-na.
Da-da-da.
Oh god.
Oh god.
I'm just gonna have to hide. Where no one can find me.
That's my plan. So you
No.
can take it.
No, I'm gonna beat you to your hiding plan.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I'm right behind you, Whiskey.
Nope, you leave me alone.
Hey Juliet. Hey Juliet.
Oh god!
Hey Juliet. Oh god, I don't even know how that song goes, but it goes something like that.
Kittaloaf?
You're on my mind.
Kittaloaf? You should
What?
go find his hiding spot in that usual place he likes barricading himself inside.
I can't hear you, what?
You should go find his place where he usually barricades himself in.
I'm trying to kill this motherfucker.
Go outside.
Get the fuck over here, you son of a bitch!
Hey,
I'm like...
Kittaloaf, what you should do is go
Damn it,
outside.
Damn it, I fell out the window. God fucking piss
No,
in a
don't go
bottle.
up there. Turn around. Go through the hall. No, go through the garage.
Shit, go, 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 go!
Go through the garage, Kitty.
Why can't I fucking kill you?
As you were.
Shit!
You should go kill Whiskey, because he's hiding from you. He's the only one
I
left.
wanted to kill those people though first.
He's in his usual hiding
Why?
spots.
Is he in the boxes? I
Yes.
see you! I see you! Oh shit! I'm coming for you! Yeah, that's what I thought.
You're such a dick, man.
That's her not letting me hang out with you.
Well, that's not my fault now, is it?
Yes, yes, it
That
is.
is Kitty's fault. It's all Kitty's fault.
It is not my fault. You guys.
It is
need
so
to
your
learn
fault.
better.
All of it is Kitty's fault.
It's not my fault.
All of it. All of it.
No. No.
All of it.
No.
All of it. Kitty,
Nick,
come
you're
back.
following me. Leave me alone.
Kitty, come back here.
No, leave me alone. I don't trust you. Get away.
No, I'm not a murderer or a person with a gun. Just come back.
I don't like that.
No.
That is not something you should
That
say.
sounds very, very awful, and I'm scared.
Not the
You
murderer
know what you
or
should-
the person with a gun.
You know what you
I
should
don't
do?
trust you.
You do the Q thing.
Someday,
Every time that person
This'll all be a
says cheese, I
bad
think that's
memory.
lying talking. It freaks me out because it sounds
What?
like lying.
Really?
Yeah.
like there's no
Me?
kids around to see
That
this.
sounds like you, so I freak
Sometimes
out.
I dream
Of cheese.
It sounds like you.
Sometimes
get the
I
fuck-
dream of cheese.
Go away!
Some-
I'm fucking going.
Sometimes I dream of cheese.
Why are you all running in front of me? Get away!
Why did somebody kill me? What's your name again?
Sometimes I dream of cheese, Bravo. Why are you having that knife? Oh god.
I'm just gonna hide. This isn't a good hiding spot, but I'm gonna hide.
There's only 2 people, like 3 people left. 4 people left.
Oh, I'm bailing. Fail! Oh, I hear guns!
It's okay, Kitty. Just go up and then stand right in front of the window.
Oh no, I'm good. Thank you, though. Thank you.
You can do it, Kitty.
There's only 4 people left.
Kitty, go to my hiding spot. No one will ever think to look there unless he tells them to go there. I swear it.
No, because you'll type it, and I'll be sad.
Kitty, I can't type it. I'm dead.
Yes, you can.
No,
You totally
typing doesn't
can.
go.
Yeah,
typing doesn't
he's
go to alive
not
people.
good
I'm
at
typing
lying.
Right now.
Yeah, not good at lying is dead. He's
My
typing
shake is
IU,
dead. My shake is dead.
He's coming for you. He knows where you are. Leave, Kitty.
No, I didn't. I'm scared! Stop! I'm gonna die!
Kitty,
I'm gonna
he's right beside you.
cry. No, he's not.
Right at that window. He's right at that window.
Yeah, they're right to appear at that window. He just needs to look
Okay.
down. He saw you. He saw you. Run!
That was actually kind of scary from Kitty's perspective. That was horrible. Something, is it you?
Aw.
No, it's not you.
That scared. GTFO! Jesus!
Look,
You know they can't hear you if you
All I
don't
was-
have that push to talk going.
exactly.
No, I know. I'm thinking it's lying, so I don't need to push it.
No, I did not. I tried to go somewhere and you were in my way.
You're being.
Who is it, Kitty?
Who is it?
Who is it?
Oh my god, you see what this guy's stacking chairs. It's hilarious. Aw.
Ah, Miko's in there! Holy shit! Oh, shit, leg!
Miko.
Miko.
It doesn't help when I fucking lying, is that you?
You're being way too quiet. You son of a bitch lying.
No, it's not me. I'm just. Look.
Oh, it's not
I'm
you.
there.
You're Kilo.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's not me. Come on.
Damn it. It's like you're so quiet.
Oh god.
Wait a minute. You didn't. Did you swap with people?
Ah, damn it. I'm dead.
Kitty, no.
Okay.
I'm not the murderer. I swear. If you die, you'll know who I am. That's what I can tell you.
Okay. Ooh.
These can be long videos, you know.
Yeah.
Reasons.
Big,
Big,
fat cock. Cack.
Well, damn.
Kitty, are you the murderer?
Nice. No, I'm not the murderer. I'm over
I
there.
see you, kitty.
You're not the murderer?
I'm hiding.
Oh.
I see you, killer love.
Are you the murderer?
Does it look like I'm the murderer?
No.
Not you. I'm fucking lying. I know it's not you. I see you on the thingy. Someone's barricading themselves. Oh, who is
What the
that?
hell? Did someone just try to shoot me?
Yes, I did.
But why?
Who's
Because-
jumping? Who is that?
That's him.
Oh,
That's-
is that lying?
Yes. Yankee's the killer!
Damn it.
Was that you
got
lying?
really scared.
Yes, you bastard
Yes,
lying.
that was me.
I got really scared.
Did you
He's
even
so
see?
Scary.
Did you even
Damn,
see me
you're
up
not
there?
Scary? I didn't even do my deep voice.
I know. That's what.
Whoa,
made
what
me
the hell?
scary.
That one flying at me.
Nobody.
Who is Miko? Miko is a man of mystery.
I think somebody's AFK. I'm just standing right beside him. Hi, November. How you doing?
Oh no, it's Miko. Again.
Why can't I fucking do anything with my life?
Because you suck.
No.
Yeah.
I think I have that office chair.
What?
I think I have that chair that they modeled the thing after, whatever. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna mute momentarily.
Fucking
Go away, Miko! Oh god, they're teasering out. What the hell are you doing? Oh god, this is creepy as fuck.
fucking lag piece of shit!
God damn it, why did I miss you?
Wow.